Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to show you a detailed video on how to exit a Subaru Crosstrek using the multi-lift personal transfer lift system. Please note that this is a detailed video and you should see the other videos in this series in order to learn a little bit more about the product. It's made, that will give you a more general overview. So first we're going to hook the speedy bar on the hinge. As you probably know, there is no modification whatsoever. We are just setting the multi-lift right on there. Our next step is to hook up the sling. Reach in and hook up the arm tab and the other arm tab, and we're ready to raise and exit. Once we're up and off the chair, move up. Now down a little bit just to nip the head out. Once the head is out, we raise and keep on raising until we're fully out. Make sure those feet clear the sill plate. Once we've done that, we're going to put the wheelchair underneath. Little upward pressure on the back of the sling to make sure that the user gets a nice upright position when landing in the wheelchair. And mind you, it's just very, very small amount of pressure, just enough to change the angle of the person's body, make it a little bit more comfortable, and start your day out with a good upright position. We'll then move the wheelchair rearward, remove the lift, remove the speedy bar, and we're ready to hit the road. Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated to the idea that you should have mobility in the way that you want, in the vehicle that you want, at a price that's affordable. If you'd like to learn more about our company and our philosophy, please go to our Facebook page and like us at facebook.com/accessun. We're on Twitter. You can follow us on Twitter at @accessun. We're on Instagram at Access Unlimited, one word. We're on Pinterest at Access Unlimited, 2 words. Our YouTube channel has over nearly 4,000 videos at youtube.com/accessun. Our website for contacting us is www.accessunlimited.com, and you can give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822 in the U.S. That's on Eastern Standard Time in the U.S. Evenings and weekends are no problem at all. It's actually a great time to contact us. Is country code 1-615-873-0518. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. Make sure to watch the other videos in the details down below of this video to give you a general overview of the product. Have a great day and hope you enjoyed what you've seen.